Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change default apps on iOS. First, what we need to do is go to the settings, which should be on your main screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then just write Settings, then just go down to the apps and click on Default Apps. Here you can change all of the default apps to whichever one you would like. Let's say click on Browser, and here you can choose Chrome, Opera or Safari. Thanks you for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really great if you subscribe to our channel. And bye!